cattle drive. Told ya. You both owe me $1.
Step lightly, girls. The male of the species can be extremely hostile.
Oh, come on, Calloway. It's not like they haven't seen a cow before.
Hey, Barry. What? Check it out.
Ooh, dairy cow.
Oh, hey, how's it going? Oh, hello. Let me guess, you're a tourist.
Look, just keep moving and avoid eye contact.
Pardon me, but what are three lovely ladies like you
Doing on a drive like this?
Just ignore them, and perhaps they'll go away.
Oh, they seem like nice guys. Maybe they can help
Why,
us.
sure we can help you. Maybe we can help each other.
Look, lover bull, we're here strictly on business.
Sounds pretty exciting. What kind of business?
We're looking for a cattle wrestler named Alameda Slim.
Grace!
Hey, it doesn't hurt to ask.
Slim?
Why, Slim's just a scary bedtime story to get little calves to behave.
What was that?
It must be Slim and the Willies.
Don't worry, darling. I'll protect you.
You have exactly 2 seconds to remove your hoof before I snap it off at the knee.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. I thought you were the blonde.